Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning it was a very chaotic morning. I got up freezing and I had to take a cup of tea to get myself warm and prepared for this recipe. In this recipe I'll be showing you how to make a simple low-carb zucchini fufu. I mean, this is a replacement for any high carbohydrate fufu. If you're a fufu lover and you don't want to eat the normal high carbohydrate fufu, then this recipe is strictly for you. Keep watching and learn how to do this zucchini fufu, and it's very simple and straightforward. As you can see on the screen, you need one large zucchini, 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 cups of oats, and 15 mils of psyllium husk, and about 100 mils of water. This is all you need. Then you need to chop the zucchini into smaller pieces so you can blend easily on your blender, just the way I am doing on my chopping board. And I'm just cutting it into smaller pieces and making it easy for my blender. And then I will blend everything together, put it up in the blender, and yeah, it is ready for the next step. Okay, now just assemble your blender and keep everything ready. The ingredients close to each other to keep it running. So place your zucchini in the blender and then add your oats. If you like your fufu to be very hard, you can add as much oat as you can. But for me, I don't want it too hard. So this is the consistency and the quantity of the oats I use. I use three of these cups and a little bit, and I think a half of it. So if you want it harder, you can take four cups for this size of the zucchini. It depends on the size of the zucchini you're using to make this recipe. So the purpose of the psyllium husk in this recipe is to bind the oats and the zucchini together. Even without the psyllium husk, it will still give me that the fufu vibe and the fufu consistency, but it will not be as stretchy as you're going to be seeing after I prepare this fufu. So I wanted it to be a little bit stretchy when I prepare it. So guys, this is the consistency you want to have. But like I say, if you want your fufu to be more harder, then you can add more oats. But for me, this is what I wanted. I don't like my fufu to be too hard, so I wanted it in this texture. And here I'm trying to show you the time when I did this recipe. It was quite early in the morning. It was about 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock is early. Yes. Because sometimes I might be waking up like 9 o'clock if I'm off that day. I might be waking up a little bit late. But here, let's concentrate on the video. So now you see how the heat is coming out of the fufu, because because I've already set on my stove and the thing is cooking. Here you have to keep so much attention on the fufu fire so that you don't forget about it and it develop lumps on it. So you can see my fufu is very smooth and very easy to go. You can see that I'm adding a little bit of water so that it can cook right thoroughly. If not, you will end up with raw fufu. So it is very tricky and at the same time right for you to add a little bit of water for it to cook for like 5 minutes again before the fufu is ready, even if the color has changed to that brown texture. That shows that the fufu has been cooked. But now I just put that little water and then cook it for like 5 minutes. You see me, I'm just around this pot. I'm just checking on it because it needs a lot of attention. You need to be there close to it. And I'm using this non-stick pot that also helps to not to stick on while I cook. While the fufu is cooking, because if you use a stickable pan, you will end up with so much burns. The fufu will get burned at the end of the day. Even with this non-stick pot, it still gets to burn a little bit, but that's okay. It's easy to wash when you just put water on the pot and it will get out easily. So this is the consistency. You see it browning, like brown and stretchy, and if you look at it, you will see that it is the psyllium husk that I added into this recipe that is giving that extra stretchy nature on the fufu, and that is what I wanted because I wanted that result. But however, the psyllium husk and the oats, even the zucchini, are packed with fiber, at the same time with a lot of nutrients, a lot of electrolytes as well to help you in your weight loss journey. Because I know when one is in this weight loss journey, you may want to eat the things that you love to eat, but you can always improvise in this moment. This is still fufu you're going to be eating. You can pair this with any soup of your choice, because our soups are quite healthy. African soups are quite very healthy because but everything you need to eat in moderation. I'm not saying that you should stay away from carbohydrates and other stuff, but for someone who really wants to get to lose some pounds as much as easy, as fast as possible, it's better for you to go on a low-carb diet, just like I hope this helps someone somewhere who is battling with weight loss but yet loves to eat fufu and doesn't know how to stop or to quench the appetite. But here I'm giving you a substitute, a very healthy one at that, which will subsidize your high carb fufu, like the other forms of fufu. Yeah, I had to replace this plastic because it got burst, and it was thank God that it wasn't that hot, so I had to change the plastic or just add another plastic over it, and then voila, we have the fufu. So that one zucchini gave me this quantity of fufu with the oatmeal. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is how it went, and I had to pair this with my very special okra soup. This recipe I would love to share, but if you want to have this recipe, I will be sharing this on my channel another day. So till we meet again next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share my video to someone who needs it, and I love you.